Hey there, fellow kitchen warriors and culinary enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of food preparation with the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System. If you're someone who values efficiency and versatility in the kitchen, then this powerhouse of a kitchen gadget is about to become your new best friend. Get ready to transform your food prep game, because we've got a lot to cover. Let's kick things off with what matters most, the performance. The Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System boasts a 750 peak watt power-dense motor that's designed to tackle tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're mixing cookie dough or blending drinks and soups, this motor has got your back. It's the kind of power that turns your kitchen tasks from a chore into a breeze. What sets this system apart is its versatility. The PowerBase is your gateway to culinary magic. With just one device, you can seamlessly transform it from a hand mixer to a powerful immersion blender. No need for multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen. The Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System does it all. Now, let's talk about precision. This system features variable speed control with 5 mixing and 2 blending speeds. Whether you need a gentle mix or a high-speed blend, you're in control. It's the kind of precision that ensures your recipes turn out just the way you want them to. If you're into baking, you'll love the EasyGlide beaters. These beaters incorporate air into your batter, resulting in fluffy and light-baked goods. Say goodbye to dense, heavy cakes and cookies. With the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System, your baked creations will reach new levels of perfection. The 9" immersion blending arm is a game changer. It comes with a built-in pan guard, so you can blend directly in your pots and pans without worrying about scratches or mess. It's perfect for creating creamy soups, sauces, and more. The included whisk attachment is your go-to for eggs, meringues, and more. It whips and aerates with precision, giving you fluffy results every time. Whether you're making a delicate omelette or a mountain of meringue, this whisk has you covered. For those who love their smoothies and purees, the 3-cup blending vessel and lid are a dream come true. You can blend and store your creations with ease. It's the perfect addition to your morning routine, allowing you to whip up delicious and nutritious smoothies in no time. The Smart Orc technology is the secret behind the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System's consistent and smooth performance. It maintains your chosen speed, ensuring uninterrupted blending and mixing. No more uneven results or unexpected speed changes. After all the culinary magic comes the cleanup, but fear not. This system's parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Cleaning up is a breeze, leaving you with more time to enjoy your culinary creations and less time spent on chores. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System is a kitchen game changer. With its power, versatility, and precision, it's an essential tool for anyone who loves to cook and bake. Say goodbye to cluttered kitchens and hello to efficiency and creativity. So, if you're ready to transform your food prep experience and unlock endless culinary possibilities, click the link in the description to get your Ninja Foodi Power Mixer System today. Your kitchen will thank you. Thanks for joining us in this culinary adventure, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy mixing and blending!